There is one thing common among all of us, that we all are conscious of savings. Savings can be anything. It can be money, it can be food, it can be electricity, and it can be water. We all save something for the future dates. And with that reason, I am here to help you save the water by reutilizing the water that you usually allow it to drain out. It's a human tendency to always use the best and discard the waste. And to use the best all the time is not practically possible. But converting the waste into best is quite often possible if we are determined to do that. In the next couple of minutes, I will tell you how to get better quality of water, and that to drinking water. Along with that, I will also tell you how to save water by reusing the wastewater. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Tech Talk with YS Rao. I am YS Rao, and in this video I am going to talk about how to save water through a RO water purifier at your homes. After hearing this, probably a question may hit at the back of your mind. The RO water purifier purifies the water and make it fit for drinking. Then how it can help us to save the water? If this is the question that is dragging your mind, then I will definitely settle your apprehension in the next couple of minutes. But for that, you have to attentively watch this complete video. Do you know, we all live in a world where everything from food to air and water is polluted. Drinking pure water is one of the essential requirements to live a healthy life. And don't forget that it is one of our basic needs also. So to get safe water for drinking at our homes, we often buy water purifiers. There is no doubt that a lot of water purifiers are available in the market today. Out of the options that are available for domestic water purification, the RO water purifier is considered to be the most efficient and reliable product that can purify the water having high levels of TDS. Therefore, RO water purifiers have become an indispensable household item for any general Indian household today. After realizing the associated health benefits, people have been hugely investing in RO water purifiers to avoid the consumption of polluted water. Before I hop on further, let me ask you, what do you mean by RO in the context of water purifiers? If you know the answer, then I will definitely congratulate you on that. But if you don't know, then no worries. But you should be curious to know about what RO is. Let me settle your curiosity here. RO stands for reverse osmosis. RO purification is one of the most fascinating evolved forms of water filtration technology. The RO water purifier works on a different concept known as cross filtration. This concept provides for using two outlets. One outlet is for pure water to flow through, and the other outlet caters to eliminate the contaminated water, also known as reject water. The RO purifier uses a thin membrane up to a few microns to purify the water by hindering the impurities from passing through the membrane. This membrane in a RO purifier makes it stand out in the crowd, and thus it is regarded as the best water purifier for domestic purposes. Moving forward, let me explain you what makes the RO water purifier unique. The membrane present in the RO purifier can remove the dissolved salts in the water, which is not possible in other types of water purifiers. RO purifiers can take care of the heavy metal impurities like dissolved salts of arsenic, lead, iron, and other fluorides that may be present in the water. Their membrane is capable of removing impurities like dust and mud in the water. An efficient RO purifier can eliminate 99% of TDS. And if you live in an area where the TDS levels in water are high, it is recommended that you must consider buying an RO water purifier. Some RO manufacturers claim that their RO purifiers can also remove biological impurities like viruses, bacteria, and pyrogens, etc. Providing drinking water by purifying and filtering is one part of the RO purifier. As I promised you that I will settle your apprehension about saving the water through the RO purifier, which is the other part of it. So let's jump onto it and see the water saving opportunity through the RO purifier. This is a typical RO water purifier generally used in our homes. Here you can see the power point from where the RO water purifier gets power supply for its operation. These are the two flexible pipes connected to RO water purifier. The white flexible pipe delivers the purified water to the RO tank through the cartridge or membrane. The blue flexible pipe drains out the reject water from the RO purifier, and this water usually is wasted, which can be converted to water savings opportunity. RO purifier uses approximately 3 times as much water as it treats, which you might have never noticed. And in case if you have ever noticed it, then you might have never cared for the reject water. In fact, some household RO purifiers recover only 15% of the water they filter. Here, I would like to awaken all the RO purifier users who use it for getting safe drinking water and allow the reject water to be drained out. If you are among those RO users who allow the reject water to drain out, then I strongly encourage you to reuse the reject water from the RO purifier for alternative purposes. To put the things in a proper perspective, the reject water from the RO purifier shall be collected in a small water tank. The reject water thus collected in the small water tank shall be added with some quantity of raw water to it. Since the reject water from the RO purifier is enriched with mineral salts and other fluorides, therefore its dilution is essential by adding some quantity of raw water. The diluted reject water from the RO purifier can be then used in different household chores. Let us see the possibilities of reusing diluted reject water from the RO purifier. You can use RO reject water for watering your plants inside and outside your home. This is a great way to reuse wastewater, especially in areas where water shortage problem is common. Mopping floors require approximately 10 liters or even more depending on the size of your home. Since RO reject water is clean except for dissolved impurities, it is perfect for mopping floors. Approximately 3 buckets of water is required to wash a vehicle like your bike or your car. Instead of using fresh water, the reject water from your RO purifier can be used for washing your vehicles. Cleaning vegetables and fruits is a smart way to use RO reject water. Use the reject water from your RO purifier to rinse the vegetables and fruits before consuming them. Each drop of water is precious. Make sure that you use it wisely. Some water experts advocate recycling this reject water back into the RO purifier. However, my view is that by recycling the reject water that is rich in mineral salts can cause a strain on the RO purifier, particularly if the concentration of the contaminants and the mineral salts is high. So, I will never recommend recycling the reject water. Before I conclude, I would like to share some useful information about the RO water purifiers that you should know. In a recent development, the National Green Tribunal has directed the Ministry of Environment to issue a notification by 31st December 2020 to ban the use of all RO purifiers wherein the TDS is less than 500 milligrams per liter of water. The NGT, through its expert committee, has reported that the RO purifier demineralizes the water in those areas where the TDS in water is less than 500 milligrams per liter, thereby making it unhealthy for human consumption. Here, I would like to share my view on this. Although the NGT's order prohibiting the use of RO water purifiers has given a severe jolt to the manufacturers, it will have a very minimal effect on your usage of RO purifiers. If the manufacturing of RO purifiers will be banned in India, then no worries. You can still continue to use your existing RO purifier until it completes its life cycle. Another piece of advice I can share with you. You can stock 3 to 4 membranes or cartridges at your home so that whenever they need replacement, you can do it on your own without any dependency. By doing so, you can enjoy the benefit of safe drinking water at your home, and at the same time, you can save water by reusing the reject water from your RO purifier for a considerably long time. I shared my view. That doesn't mean that I am trying to make you agree with my view. You are free to continue with your own view. So, ladies and gentlemen, I am sure that your apprehension about how to save water through the RO purifier at your homes is settled by now. I believe that after watching this video, you will be inspired to save water through the RO purifier at your home. And that is the objective of this video. Thanks for being with me and taking your time out watching this video. If you have any queries, please put them in the comment section. Before I conclude, I must remind you to get associated with this channel by clicking the subscribe button. Way forward to seeing your likes as well. Bye.